This is our ESD wristband. It's made in India. This is also same, but I will tell you the difference later. So, I am going to show you. This comes in black color and the strap is blue. What is different it from the Chinese version is this one have better copper, not fiber but copper. This is a copper wire, and we also improve the conductive yarn in this strap, and the wrist strap is flexible. It can be adjusted on the strap. It's a more conductive, so it's a more connected to the body. And this is the clip. As you can see, this you can separate this. How is this different from the Chinese? I am going to show you now the Chinese one. So this is the Chinese one. As you can see, this is a fiber, not copper, and the strap have less conductive fiber, as you can see, in compared to our Indian one. We are making this one, and the wire you can also see there is a difference in thickness also. This is fiber, this is copper. So I'm also going to show you on the meter. This is a digital meter. You can see 00. Now I'm putting it here. It's showing 10.3. I put the hold button and now you can see it's at 10.3. So the strap is proper. This is generally comes in 1.8 meter, approx 2 meter, but we also have prepared 5 meter. If you need it, we can provide this one also. This one has the 5 meter length. It's a easy and quality product. We are already supplying it many companies which are buying quality product only, not the Chinese wristband. So if you need ESD wristband with a better quality and better conductive yarn and better copper wire with a length, we can provide it. Thank you.